Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav on this 2016 Infiniti QX70. So any screen, you've got map there and destination. If I click on destination, push enter button or touch OK to accept, that's just to say you're not going to be distracted. And then new address, we want postcode, so I'm just going to turn this up and just see if it is touchscreen as well. I perhaps shouldn't have done that because now I need to go back. So we'll go back. So we want postcode, and then we're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, Higher Walton, Preston, and it's PR5 4EA. It may well be I need a space in the middle because there's only 2 digits, but I'll just click list. PR5 4EA. Yeah, Higher Walton. It's brought it up. That's it. That's all I need. Click OK. Just turn that up. And start is up here in the corner. Click start.
Starting route guidance to your destination.
So it's a pretty simple system to use, to be fair. Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2016 Infiniti QX70. So any screen, it's on Sat Nav at the moment. You've got telephone on the right hand side, info and settings. It's actually setting we want, so click on setting, and then on the left hand side, navigation, audio, phone, Bluetooth. We want Bluetooth. Click on Bluetooth. Bluetooth, pair Bluetooth device, paired device list, edit Bluetooth information, replace handset. Also, you'll notice up here you've got on in Bluetooth. If you're having trouble pairing your mobile, then just make sure that that is clicked on. Make sure the Bluetooth is on, otherwise you won't be able to do anything. So we need paired device list. Now it's brought up hands-free and audio. Still not super clear as to what you do, but if you click hands-free, that brings up the name of my phone. It's the only one that's paired at the moment. We'll click on that, brings up another menu, connect, preferences and delete. I want to delete it, so we'll click delete. Barry's iPhone is connected now. Delete Barry's iPhone. Audio device also deleted. Yes, that's what we want to do.
Going south from junction 33 for Lancaster.
Thank you. Stupid traffic information. Always comes on for something miles away that's of no interest to you when you're actually trying to do something or listen to something important. Anyway, so that's how you delete a mobile. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2016 Infiniti QX70. First of all, what we need to do, go to settings, we make sure Bluetooth is on there, then we're watching out at the bottom, over to the system. You've got settings and telephone. I suppose there's a couple of ways you can do it. If there's nothing paired at the moment, and there's nobody in the car with the phone paired to the system, click telephone. There is no Bluetooth phone currently paired with the system. Would you like to pair a phone now? Yes. So it's a touch screen, so we can click yes there. And you'll see there, using your handset, look for a Bluetooth device called MyCar1. When requested by the handset, enter the pin 1234. So MyCar1 has come up. We'll click on that. We've got to put in the pin 1, 2, 3, 4, pair. That's it. Now it's done it. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. Allow. Barry's iPhone connected. That's it done. You'll see there MyCar1, that's connected. Okay, I'll just show you how to stream music from your mobile through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2016 Infiniti QX70. It's not quite as intuitive as you might hope. I've just paired my mobile with the system, and although I can take telephone calls and make telephone calls, it wouldn't play any music. It wouldn't show. You'll see there my phone's connected. So if I go to music, click on the speaker at the bottom there, you see my car there is now connected, and it's only connected after I switched the vehicle off. I paired my mobile first of all, I switched it off, I locked it, I switched the iTunes app off on my phone, knocked it off completely, Then I got back in, started the car again, opened the app, and it's come on. So if you have any trouble, make sure you do that. Also, to get it playing from here, I'll click play. I'm going to turn it down, but you see there at the bottom, it is showing it's playing. There's a tick next to My Car 1, and it is showing it's playing through there. In order to get, or the way you get it on your system, you've got the disc and auxiliary button here at the bottom, second in from the bottom left. We click that once, that's auxiliary. Click it again, it's showing disc. Click it again, music box. Click it again, Bluetooth audio. And you've now got play on Bluetooth audio, and that's the screen you need. I'm going to turn this up, wait for that volume control to go off again. Click play. Back over to here, turn this up, and that's it playing. There does seem to be a glitch in the new software probably for iPhone. And another thing I noticed, when it first started playing, it was all crackly, and I had to knock the app off again and reopen it. But that's happened in several cars, not just the Infiniti. It did it in a Volkswagen the other day, and a Mercedes, and it just seems to be after the latest update. Now we're in November 2022 now, so if you're watching it in the future, that may have been cured. But anyway, that's how you play music. I'll just go through it quickly again. I'll just switch this off. So music app is off. We'll go out of that into something else. So that's in auxiliary. Back to the map. So on your iPhone, click on iTunes, click on a song. Just click on play there. Oh, sorry, it's there. You'll see there, if I click at the bottom, you've got a choice of iPhone or My Car. That tick means that any audio playing on your mobile should come through the system here, whether it be Spotify, YouTube Music, Amazon Prime Music, or iTunes Music. So that's playing now. Back to that, over to the system, disc and auxiliary. Click on disc and auxiliary. It's come up at auxiliary at the first time. Click again, disc. Click again. You just have to scroll through. That's music box, and now it's come on to Bluetooth audio. So if I turn that up, there you go. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.